Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change website name in Wings. So first, when you sign in your account on Wings, you just basically select your website that you want to change name. For example, this one. And then you will go to your Wings dashboard, as you can see. Then go to the left side of your screen, scroll down and click on settings. Now here on settings, you just need to find the website settings. You can see here, manage your site's name, URL, favicon, and more. So basically click on this option and you will find the site name, edit this name to easily find it on your dashboard and more. So this is my current name, so I just want to change it and I would like to add only, so it will be sample only. And here you will find some options here. So basically you can customize your website. And once done, you just need to click on the save button right there at the top right hand corner. So once you click on save, as you can see, updating site address. And finally, your website name has changed. So that's it. That's how you basically change name in Wings website. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.